Hello, welcome back to Cesim Global Challenge 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips. This video for the winning tip number 10, plans, sales and profit report, right? So if you look at this, you see that last round we sell 1.4 billion, but this round we have 2.5 billion. And very important, you can see the increase of the variable cost, the future cost, and R&D cost here increase a lot, 260 million, right? And you see the cost spent here nearly double, right? But you still get very good profit before taxes, and also we have we can reduce the interest from the long term we pay that, and also we still get a very high profit, nearly double the profit of this round. Remember to check on the 10 winning tips to see all the 10 tips for round one, but you can apply that for all rounds. This is very important. If you have any questions, you send an email to cesim2020@gmail.com or get the free support for round one and round two. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.